Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the chat wallpaper on the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chats, where we have our conversations. From here, we have to swipe to the right. And then we tap on settings. And in settings, we tap on chat settings. Here, under this little conversation example, we find change chat wallpaper. And here we have a lot of examples for wallpapers that we can change the wallpaper to. But we can also select from our gallery a picture that we want to use, or set just a color for the chat wallpaper. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.